Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies royal icing. First, gather your essential ingredients: powdered sugar, meringue powder, and water. Meringue powder is crucial for stability and a crisp finish. You will also need a stand mixer with a whisk attachment, several mixing bowls, and piping bags with various tips. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get mixing. To begin, combine your meringue powder and water in the stand mixer bowl, whisking until foamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar, starting on a low speed to prevent a sugar cloud. Once combined, increase the speed to medium-high and beat for about 5 to 7 minutes until the icing is stiff and glossy. You'll want different consistencies for outlining, flooding, and fine details, which you can adjust by adding small amounts of water. When it comes to coloring your royal icing, gel food coloring is your best friend. It provides vibrant colors without adding excess liquid, which could alter your icing's consistency. Add the color a tiny bit at a time using a toothpick, mixing well after each addition until you reach your desired shade. For storage, keep your royal icing in an airtight container. A piece of plastic wrap pressed directly onto the surface prevents a crust from forming, keeping it fresh for up to 2 weeks. Now for the fun part, decorating. Start by outlining your cookies with a slightly stiffer icing consistency. Once the outline sets for about 10 minutes, you can flood the interior with a thinner icing. Use a scribe tool or a toothpick to gently spread the icing to the edges and pop any pesky air bubbles for a perfectly smooth finish. Allow your decorated cookies to dry completely, ideally overnight, before stacking. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.